Welcome to IMTS 2024. Welcome to Sơn Vũ CNC Vietnam. At the IMTS 2024 exhibition, Sơn Vũ CNC is presenting the superior mini laser cutting machine and metal cutting samples. The event will be an excellent platform for Sơn Vũ to introduce international customers and partners to our advanced fiber laser cutting machines and the high-quality metal cutting services. We eagerly look forward to welcoming customers and partners to Sơn Vũ booth at the exhibition, where we can explore and discuss the most advanced technological solutions together.